Hello there everyone, welcome to part 5 of the fluency series. This is an extension of part 4 which was the modal verb special. Part 4 में हमने basic और intermediate sentences cover किए थे और इसमें हम intermediate और advanced cover करने जा रहे हैं from numbers 51 to 100. Let's begin. Number 51. अच्छा रहेगा अगर तुम काम से छुट्टी ले लो, तुम ठीक नहीं लग रहे. It would be best if you took a day off work. You appear to be under the weather. Number 52. अच्छा रहेगा अगर ये बुरी खबर तुम अपने डिपार्टमेंट को जल्द से जल्द बता दो. It would be best if you broke this bad news to your department at once. Number 53. वो अपना फ़ोन घर पर छोड़ आई या भूल आई होगी वरना अब तक उसने कॉल कर दिया होता. She must have left her phone at home, otherwise she would have called by now. Number 54. कम प्राइस का फ़ायदा उठाने के लिए शायद वो टिकट्स पहले ही बुक कर चुके होंगे. To snag the low price, they might have booked the tickets already. Number 55. वो नौकरी छोड़ने की बात मजाक में कह रही होगी वरना उसने बात सीरियसली कही होती. She must be joking about quitting her job, otherwise she would have discussed it seriously. Number 56. वो प्रोजेक्ट पहले ख़त्म कर सकती थी अगर उसे और सपोर्ट मिलता. She could have finished the project earlier if she had received more support. Number 57. अगर वो और मेहनत करता तो वो बहुत अच्छे नंबरों से पास होता. If he had studied harder, he would have passed the exam with flying colors. Number 58. तुम्हें अपने दोस्त की सलाह लेनी चाहिए थी ऐसा फैसला करने से पहले. You should have taken your friend's advice before making such a call. Number 59. वो ट्रैफिक से बच सकते थे अगर वो दूसरा रूट लेते. They could have avoided traffic if they had taken a different route. Number 60. अगर मुझे पता होता कि तुम आ रहे हो तो मैं तुम्हारे लिए खाना तैयार रखता. If I had known you were coming over, I would have had food ready for you. Number 61. हम कॉन्फ्रेंस में शामिल हो सकते थे लेकिन उसका टाइम किसी और इवेंट के टाइम से मिल गया. We could have attended the conference, but its timing clashed with that of another event. Number 62. अगर उसने पहले से ही पैसे बचाकर रखे होते तो वो अब तक घर खरीद पाती. If she had saved up earlier, she would have been able to buy a house by now. Number 63. उन्हें एक एक्सपर्ट की सलाह ले लेनी चाहिए थी कार को खुद ठीक करने की कोशिश करने से पहले. They should have consulted an expert before attempting to fix the car themselves. Number 64. अगर मैं थोड़ी देर पहले घर से निकला होता तो मैं ट्रेन पकड़ सकता था. I could have got the train if I had left home a little earlier, or had I left home earlier, I could have got the train. Number 65. उसने मेरा मैसेज गलत समझ लिया होगा नहीं तो उसने रिप्लाई किया होता. She must have misunderstood my message, otherwise she would have replied. Number 66. तुम्हें मीटिंग में अपनी आवाज़ उठानी चाहिए अगर तुम्हें कुछ चीज़ें परेशान कर रही हैं. You should speak up at the meeting if you have any concerns or if there's something on your mind. Number 67. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए था पर फिर हम और करते भी क्या. This shouldn't have happened, but then again, what else could we have done? Number 68. शायद वो अपॉइंटमेंट भूल गए होंगे वरना अब तक वो पहुंच गए होते. They might have forgotten about the appointment or they would have been here by now. Number 69. हम इस वीकेंड शॉपिंग पर जा सकते हैं या फिर हम घर पर ही आराम कर सकते हैं. We could go shopping this weekend or we could just relax at home. Number 70. अगर वो अपना शेड्यूल दोबारा बना पाए तो वो वेडिंग में शामिल हो सकते हैं. If they can manage to rearrange their schedule, they might attend the wedding. Number 71. तुम्हें ब्रेक ले लेनी चाहिए थी चुस्त होने के लिए, फिर तुम और भी काम निकाल सकते थे. अब तुम थक के चूर हो गए हो. You should have taken a break to recharge yourself. You could have been more productive. Now you're all burnt out. Number 72. उसे मदद मांग लेनी चाहिए थी अकेले लगे रहने की जगह. He should have asked for help instead of being at it all by himself. Number 73. उसे अब तो कॉल कर ही लेनी चाहिए नहीं तो उन्हें लगेगा वो इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है. She might as well call them now, otherwise it might give them the impression that she's not interested. Number 74, वो चाहे तो कॉलीग से सलाह ले सकता है या फिर वो खुद समझने की कोशिश कर सकता है. He could or he may ask his colleagues for advice if he wishes to, or he may or could try to figure it out by himself. Now we go to the advanced sentences, starting with number 75, which reads, काश दादाजी ये देखने के लिए जिंदा होते. Would that grandpa had lived to see this. Number 76, काश ये पल थम जाए. Would that this moment could freeze. Number 77, on similar lines with काश again, काश मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता. Would that I were in your place. Coming to number 78, अरे तुम्हें उसका चेहरा देखना चाहिए था जब मैंने कहा कि हम जीत गए. Oh, you should have seen his face when I told him that we had won. Coming to number 79, something different. Here we use should to express strong agreement. And the sentence goes, the whole audience loved us. We will win for sure. Yes, I should hope so. That's to say, हाँ, मुझे भी ऐसी ही उम्मीद है. Another one, number 80, I don't think anyone would refuse. I should think not. Which is to say, हाँ, मुझे भी नहीं लगता. Coming to number 81, मैं इसे और सीधे तरीके से नहीं कह सकता था, पर तुम पर कोई असर दिख नहीं रहा. I couldn't have said it more directly. Apparently, it doesn't seem to have any effect on you. Number 82, गला सूख रहा है, थोड़ी चाय की ज़रूरत है. My throat's drying. I could do with a cup of tea. Number 83, मुझे बारात के लिए इस कार को डेकोरेट करना है, थोड़े फूलों की ज़रूरत है. I am supposed to decorate this car for the barat. I could do with some flowers. Number 84, उसने मुझे पूछा कि उसे किस टाइम आना चाहिए. He asked me what time he should come. So in reported speech, shall turns to should. Here the actual words of the speaker were, what time shall I come? And that came out as what time he should come in the reported speech. Coming to number 85, मुझे लगता है काम में 4 दिन लगेंगे. I would imagine the job will take 4 days. Here we're using would to give an opinion we're not certain about. Here's another example, which is number 86. मेरे अंदाजे से तो वो 60 के आसपास होगा. I would say or I'd say he was about 60. Number 87, मैं इतना तंग आ चुका हूँ कि मैं चिल्ला सकता हूँ. I'm so fed up that I could scream. Number 88, अगर कोई कॉल करे तो कहना मैं मौजूद नहीं हूँ. Should anyone call, please tell them I'm not available. Number 89, similar one, अगर कोई पूछे तो कहना मैं तुमसे नहीं मिला. Should anyone ask, tell them I didn't meet you. In these last two examples, we use should as if. Coming to number 90, मुझे लग ही रहा था तुम होगे. I might have known it was you. Now this is the use of might where you are not surprised by what has happened. आप I had a feeling it was you भी कह सकते हैं और थोड़े और advanced way में I might have known it was you कह सकते हैं. Here's another one, number 91. मुझे लग ही रहा था ये तुम्हारी कार है. Now you could say I had a feeling this is your car or I might have guessed this was your car. Number 94. मैंने उसका नंबर ब्लॉक कर दिया ताकि वो मुझे अपनी कॉल से परेशान ना करे. I blocked her number so that she wouldn't pester me with her calls. Here we are using would to show the reason for doing something. Here's another example, number 95. मैं घर से जल्दी निकल गया ताकि मैं एग्ज़ाम हॉल टाइम से पहले पहुंच जाऊं. I left home early so that I would reach the exam hall before time. You can also use could. I left home early so that I could reach the exam hall before time. The slight change would be ताकि मैं टाइम से पहले पहुंच सकूं in case of could. Coming to number 96, वो स्मार्ट नहीं होगा अगर इस ऑफर को एक्सेप्ट करेगा. He wouldn't be smart to accept this offer. Number 97, तुम छोटे बालों में और भी अच्छे लगोगे. You would look better with shorter hair. Here we're using would to talk about the result of an imaginary situation. Here's another one, number 98. तुम बेहतर करोगे अगर तुम ज़्यादा पढ़ो. You would do better if you studied harder. Now the imaginary part will be in the past tense. That's important to note, if you studied harder. Coming to number 99, मैं हमेशा स्कूल के बाद उसका इंतज़ार किया करता था. I would always wait for her after school. That's used in the sense of used to, the would over here. And number 100, मैंने ऐसा क्या किया हो सकता है जो तुम्हें इतना बुरा लगा? What could I have done to make you feel this bad?